Hi, this is Miss Goodale, and today I'm going to talk about using proportional reasoning, or sometimes I call it cross multiplication and division, to find a missing number. So, if you recall, with ratios, this is from the last lesson, we talked about how to multiply or divide the top and the bottom both by the same thing in order to get an equivalent fraction or a ratio. Today, we're going to talk about if you have that same ratio, only instead of finding an equivalent ratio, you have to find a missing number on an equivalent ratio. So I'm just going to go ahead and jump right into the steps. And just like I said at the beginning, I call this cross multiplication and division for a reason. So the first step that I have you do is just to cross multiply. What would be you multiply diagonally across. So you would multiply your 4 times your 20. And then you divide by the other number. So you multiply here, you divide by the other number. You divide your answer, which is 80, by 5, and you should get 16. If I leave out, actually let me leave out my 8 there. Let me leave out my top number. Okay, so I can multiply the opposite direction across. 2 times 12, which is 24, and then divide that answer by 3, and I get 8. So over here, I almost forgot to show you the equivalent fractions. So 4/5 equals 16 over 20. And over here, we would put our 8 here. Okay? Let's do one with a bottom number missing. So we have 24 with a blank here equals 8/9. Still cross multiply. So we multiply times here, 24 times 9. And normally you would write this out, but it's 216. You divide that answer by this other number that you have left. So 216 divided by 8. And that should be 27. So then my answer okay, so that's one method of doing this. Now you could have also gone from 4 to 16 by, 5 to 20 by multiplying 5 times 4 and then figured out 4 times 4 is 16. You could have also done 3 times 2 or 3 times 4 equals 12, 2 times 4 equals 8. You could have also done 8 times 3 is 24, 9 times 3 is 27. You could have done it that way. And I kind of said those quickly because we've already gone over that in a different lesson and a different video. But this is just showing you another method to do the same process. I hope you got something out of that video. Let me know if you have any questions, and stay tuned for more videos.